Hey Willow, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Pedro?
I'm fantastic. This weekend is my birthday.
Really? What are you doing to celebrate?
I'm having a great party actually. Do you really want to come?
Sure. Where's it at?
It's at my house.
Where's your house?
Well, it's near downtown on 7 East.
7 East?
Yeah? And 7 North.
Okay, I know where that is. What time does the party start?
It starts at 9.
Okay. Should I bring anything?
Well, you can bring dessert and drinks if you want.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you there.
Great. See you then.